Hey guys, it's me Poppy Brain here coming to you with a new video. As I mentioned, I am going to do a review of this little guy. I'm going to give this is a little handheld vacuum. It says it's made for couches, but let's see. Does not work as well as I would like for couches, just because if you have a couch that has any kind of grooves in it or has footrest, these are not going to be very good. But let me see. I'll show you. I'll see right here, because I did try it on my floor. It does pick up. I don't think it picks up anything bigger than a mini pretzel size. You do have to go. I'm going to see if it'll clean up some of this. Sorry, I'm trying to see if it'll clean up some of this cat litter that's all over my floor. How well it's going to clean up this cat litter. I mean, it does kind of, it doesn't work like the bat, like it's not as good, it's not going to replace a vacuum cleaner. But for a quick cleanup, for just like some crumbs or whatever the case may be, or if you don't want to lug your whole vacuum cleaner upstairs and you just need something quick to clean up a little bit of cat litter, I would give this, realistically, you guys can't see me anymore. I would realistically give this about an 8 out of 10. Because like I said, it does not work as well as it claims for the intended purpose. I thought it was battery powered. I did not realize it was not battery powered. Hold on, sir. Oh, princess, sorry. So, even just to like sweep up, like this is what it looks like after just 2 uses. I've already dumped this thing once. I'll see how well it. So it does work on couches, just not as well as I'd hoped. And I'm going to see how well it works on hard floor here in the bathroom. Let me just dump this real quick. It'll probably need to be cleaned out every so often because it does get dirty super quick. But let me see. I mean, most of the spots where it's stuff in here, you can't really get to. But overall, I do need to wipe this down. I would, like I said, for being manual, the only thing I'm going to say is if you have a lot of like human hair, cat hair, whatever, as you can see, it does get clogged pretty easily. But I will honestly give this an 8 out of 10. So like if your cat makes a mess, and it's only a small mess next to the litter box, it's good for that. If you have a child that steals your breakfast and dumps your muffin everywhere and gets crumbs everywhere, it's good for that kind of thing. It does hold, like I said, I did not show you. Like I said, just be mindful of any kind of hair, it will clog it. But, I mean, that's true of most devices. But this is how dirty it is already just from the 2 uses. But it will hold quite a bit of space. But overall, I thought it was going to be like an electric thing. But for the price, it's basically just got this roller ball and just like... it just rotates when you swipe it on the floor. So for the price, I would definitely recommend, if you guys would like me to do a Temu, like, recommend things to buy, recommend things to don't buy video, please let me know in the comments down below. I can do that, because there's some things I found on Temu that don't work. Some things I found on Temu that were better, that are dupes for things that were better than other dupes. There's things that I've found that are a 50-50. Just, you can't say the whole category as a whole, because some items in the category are good. Some items in the category are not good. It just depends on the specific item. Some things. So, let me know in the comments down below, and I will do that video for you if you guys would like. I have not bought too many home gadgets. I do have a few home gadgets. It's mostly kitchen gadgets, clothes, toys, like random stuff. So, comment down below, and I will catch you in the next day of Vlogmas. Bye, guys.